Hey everybody, welcome back to Saginaw Farms. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jake. We live on a 2.5 acre hobby farm down here in southeastern Pennsylvania. And today, we're going to be doing a little garden work. We gotta replant some beans because the yellow beans that we planted, there's something wrong with those seeds and they never came up. And so we'll use the row maker in front of me and make the rows, and we'll plant the beans, and we're also gonna be staking the tomato plants. So hope you enjoy, and we'll start with rolling up the beans. Alright, so you can see back there, that's the row maker we're going to be using today. And we're going to be replanting a row right here and right there. They were yellow beans, but I said this in the previous video, the yellow beans did not come up well, except for a few plants there. You can see the green beans over here is what we're going to be planting in these rows, because yellow beans did not work. So, I'm gonna go around these plants that did come up, so I can just make new rows and plant where it needs to be planted. Without further ado, I'm gonna start making these rows. So the beans that we're going to be planting today are garden bean, bush blue, lake 274. There's the back if you want to read that. It's supposed to be 1 inch into the ground. We tell about 1 inch into the ground, so it should be good. It says they should be ready in 58 days. So this crop will be a little later from these beans that we're getting planting now than from these here. So that's not always bad. All right, start planting these beans. All right, now I'm gonna cover up these beans. There's not much interesting stuff about that. Just take a hoe and push dirt over. So I'm just gonna turn the camera off for that. I got the beans planted in this row, in that row. But I do not know where. So here are the tomato stakes. We're gonna put these in the ground, and these tomato cages. So let me grab a hammer and we can put them in. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I am putting stakes in. Yeah, a sledgehammer might be a little bit much, but I'm not like completely just beating the sticks. I'm just taking a sledgehammer, I'm kind of just dropping it on top of the stakes and just push them into the ground. And my mom will come back through and she'll tie up the plants to the stake, and that just helps the plant stay upright And yeah, putting these stakes in, this is very exciting. So I might just stop the video here for now. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you next time. I might have another video come out soon. It's Friday. No, on Friday. You'll probably see this video on Friday. It's Thursday right now. Yeah, so I guess see you next time, everybody. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.